Scott's Lawn Care is available to haul snow away from your property.
We have quite a bit of machinery that can do quite a bit of things.
Clearing parking lots, roadways, private drives, sidewalks.
Snow removal involving haul away, relocation, or blowing back of snow.
We also offer spreading salt or ice melter on both parking lots and sidewalks. And deck shoveling, certain areas that need to be shoveled maybe every storm or just kind of as an on-call basis.
We also continue our tree pruning and cutback services.
Our goal is to get our properties safe and passable as quick as possible.
We don't want to just be out when all the other plow companies are out. We want to be out first. We want to be showing our customers that we can be there right when they need us there. We will be able to do any property out there the way that any customer wants us to do it.